In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to easily find and remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. I've got a table with a list of salespeople, their city, and their total sales commissions. My goal is to remove every duplicate value. However, first I should make the distinction of what is a duplicate value in this instance. If I look at the first row, Peter Griffin is the salesperson, and I can see that he appears in other rows where some or all of the values of each row match. For the purpose of this video, I only want to find and remove duplicates where all 3 columns match. For the first method, I'm going to use the remove duplicates function. I'm going to make a copy of the table. You don't have to do this. You can remove duplicates from the original table. It's just easier for me to demonstrate the before and after results. Now I'll go to the Data tab. I'll highlight the table and click on Remove Duplicates. As you can see, there's a pop-up window that asks if I want to select all columns and if my data has headers. As mentioned earlier, I only want to delete rows where all 3 columns, salesperson, city, and commission, are the same. So having all fields checked is perfect. I'll click OK. Look at that. It tells me that there were 7 duplicate values found and removed, and 10 unique values remain. I'll click OK. Now if we look at the 2 tables, the original and the demonstration version, with duplicates removed, we can see that the rows were removed. The second method I'm going to demonstrate is using the unique function. You can use the unique function if you have Office 365 or are using the web version of Excel. Next to our demonstration table, I'm going to use the following formula. Equals unique, followed by an opening bracket. The tooltip appears showing us the syntax for the remainder of the function. This is super easy. I'll highlight the values in the original table, add a closing bracket, and then click Enter. There's a list similar to our demonstration table to the left. I'll quickly format it to be the same as the other tables. So you may ask yourself the question, why would I use the unique function? The answer is that with the unique function, if you update the original table, it will automatically update the results that are generated by the unique function. Let me show you. I'll go back to the original table and copy the last row that has Lisa Simpson in it. I'll now paste it in the row below. Nothing has changed in our third table because it's still showing only unique values, and our last 2 rows that feature Lisa Simpson are the same. However, if I change a commission amount to 15,000, our table that used the unique function has added the new row, while our second table that has used the standard remove duplicates function did not. As you can see, it's super easy no matter what method you choose to remove duplicate values in Excel. If you found this video helpful, check out this one.